Never been so proud of someone for filing for divorce. One of my clients recently filed, and it was honestly such a brave and courageous move on her part. If you've been in an abusive relationship, particularly in a trauma bond, you know how hard it is to leave. It's hard to even want to leave. If you know, you know. I've been working with her for a few months, just developing the skills that it takes to leave. Coping with anxiety, dealing with the guilt, the fear. Getting out of these abusive relationships is so hard, but made even harder when the abuser just won't let you go. And honestly, that's the common situation that victims find themselves in, right? People say you should leave. But when you do, they stalk you, they harass you, they love bomb you, they make all kinds of promises. But now she's learned how to live in her reality, not his reality anymore. She started to resolve that cognitive dissonance. He's not good and bad anymore. He's not the pain and the comfort anymore. He's just bad and he's just the pain. I love that she left. I'm so proud of her, and I'm so proud of all of my clients who actually find that strength and courage to leave.
Stronger than